Imagine missing your flight. Not because you were late, but because of a small mistake at TSA security. Or worse, losing your luggage because you didn't know one simple rule. We've all been there, standing in that ridiculously long line, heart pounding, wondering if we're going to make it. You watch someone get pulled aside, their bags torn apart, and you just pray it isn't you. The stress is insane. It can completely ruin the start of a vacation or a critical business trip. Airports are already chaotic, but the security checkpoint is where dreams of a smooth journey can completely fall apart. But what if I told you that you could breeze through security like a VIP every single time? What if you never had to worry about your expensive cologne getting thrown in the trash, or your suitcase showing up on the carousel looking like it went through a war zone? Today, I'm not just giving you a few tips. I went out and talked to actual TSA officers to get the inside scoop. I'm revealing 25 TSA secrets that could save your trip and your luggage. Stick with me until the end. The bonus secret could literally save you hundreds on your next flight. We are going to break down everything from the liquids rule that everyone gets wrong, to a simple trick that keeps your luggage from getting lost or damaged. These aren't just random guesses. These are proven strategies from the people who run the show. Are you ready to become an airport expert? Let's do this. Okay. Let's start with the most basic but most ignored rule. You think you know when to arrive at the airport, but you're probably wrong. I talked to an agent who's worked the morning shift for 10 years, and he said the #1 mistake people make is trusting their past experiences. That empty security line you saw at 6 o'clock last time, it can turn into an absolute nightmare by 6:30. A few delayed flights, a shift change, a single slow-moving group can create a ripple effect that backs up the entire checkpoint for hours. Don't risk it. He told me to download the MyTSA app. Seriously, do it right now. This app gives you live, crowdsourced wait times for security checkpoints at airports across the country. Instead of just guessing, you can see exactly what you're walking into. It's like having a secret weapon that tells you whether you can grab that extra coffee or if you need to sprint straight to the line. Planning your arrival based on real-time data is the first step to a stress-free trip. Think about it this way. For the cost of 5 minutes of your time before you leave for the airport, you can save yourself an hour of panic, an hour of standing in a line, an hour of worrying if you'll make your gate, an hour of your vacation just evaporating. Don't be the person who misses their flight by 5 minutes because the line was unexpectedly massive. Use the tools available and give yourself a buffer. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Alright, this next one is a complete game changer. If you fly more than once a year, you are literally losing money by not having it. I'm talking about TSA PreCheck. I had an officer tell me, "We wish everyone had it. It makes our job easier. And your life easier." For just $78, you get 5 years of access to a much shorter, much faster security line. About $15 a year. A little over $1 a month. That's less than a single cup of airport coffee. You don't have to take off your shoes, belts, light jackets. You can leave your laptop and your 311 liquids bag inside your carry-on. Imagine just putting your bag on the belt and walking through the metal detector. No more fumbling with shoes or frantically unpacking your laptop. It transforms the experience. You can arrive a little later, walk up to the special lane, and be through in 5 minutes flat, even when the regular line snakes the entire terminal. You're investing in your own peace of mind. After you experience it once, you'll never go back. Let's talk checked luggage. Behind the scenes, your bags take a beating. Stacked, dropped, crammed. Invest in a hard-shell suitcase. It's armor that distributes impact and resists bursts. Use only TSA-approved locks. If agents can't open a regular lock, they'll cut it off, leaving your bag unprotected. TSA locks have a master key port so they can open, inspect, and relock your bag. Pro tip: snap a picture of your locked bag before check-in. It's proof if a claim is needed. Electronics larger than a phone must be in a separate bin. Laptops block X-ray views when buried. Pack laptops or tablets in a top sleeve. Unzip, slide out, Bin. Seconds saved, stress avoided. People toss $200 perfumes and pricey lotions daily. Use refillable 3.4 Oz bottles in a quart bag. In checked bags, large glass can break and ruin clothes. Go small and plastic in carry-on. Harmless items can look like weapons on X-ray. Think dense metal, odd shapes, replica swords, big belt buckles, snow globes. If it could be misread, check it. If carry-on, place it solo in a bin and proactively tell the officer. A little foresight keeps you moving. Medical liquids, gels, aerosols, and baby formula, breast milk, juices for toddlers are exempt. Declare, separate, allow extra screening. They can't deny them. Bring an empty bottle, clear security, then refill at a fountain. Save $5.15 and reduce plastic. Do you usually buy water inside the airport or bring your own? Let me know in the comments. Early arrivals, pre-check, shoes, liquids exceptions, and that bottle. Massive stress saved. Never put your full address on your luggage tag. Just name, phone, and email. Don't advertise an empty home. Use a tag with a privacy flap for extra protection. Paper can fail, apps can crash. Take a screenshot of your mobile boarding pass so it works offline every time. Email it to yourself as a backup too. If TSA asks you to power on a device and it's dead, you could lose it. Keep a power bank in your carry-on. Outlets are crowded or broken. Your power shouldn't be. Don't wrap gifts. If flagged, officers must unwrap them. Pack gift bags and tissue. Assemble after arrival. Yes to solids. Sandwiches, bars, fruit, salads, cookies. No to spreads over 3.4 Oz. Peanut butter, hummus, yogurt, dressings follow 311. Massive money saver, especially for families. Make your bag instantly recognizable from 50 feet. Ribbons, straps, tape, stickers. Prevent mix-ups and speed exits. A notice of baggage inspection is routine. Keep valuables in carry-on. TSA isn't responsible if things go missing. Anything you can't afford to lose stays with you. Airlines often won't cover high-value items in checked bags. Officers may ask devices to power on. Charge everything before you go and carry a power bank as backup. Don't joke about bombs, guns, terrorism. Ever. You can be detained, fined, miss your flight, even face arrest. Privacy smart tags, digital pass backups, portable power, gift bags, solid snacks, marked bags, routine slips, carry-on valuables, power-on rule, zero jokes. The MyTSA app is a free tool from TSA, like having a travel expert in your pocket. Check live wait times and search "Can I bring?" for instant answers. Knitting needles, batteries, that weird souvenir. It also shows pre-check info, delays, and weather that might affect travel. Spend 5 minutes before you pack. Check rules, items, and wait times. Free time and money saver. Pack in clean layers. Clothes at bottom, heavier items in the middle, electronics and easy access items on top. Layered bags scan faster and get fewer manual searches. Snow globes usually exceed liquid limits. Gel candles follow 3-to-1-1. Bats, ski poles, hockey sticks must be checked. Verify on MyTSA. When in doubt, search the app or TSA website. Knowledge prevents surprises. Medically necessary liquids are exempt, but declare everything. Separate insulin, syringes, prescriptions, EpiPens, inhalers into their own bin. You're not required to show documents, but a doctor's note or prescription can help, especially internationally. Be prepared, organized, and communicative to avoid stress or delay. After all the hacks, officers told me the single biggest secret: just be polite. They deal with thousands of stressed, rushed, sometimes rude people daily. Approach calmly, say hello, listen, cooperate. You'll stand out in the best way. When someone is nice to us, we want to be nice back. They'll help, answer questions, and move you faster. If they need to search your bag, don't get defensive, just cooperate. It costs nothing and can change your whole experience. It's the ultimate travel hack. Bonus: if you miss your flight due to long TSA lines, some airlines let you rebook free. If you can prove TSA caused the delay, it can save you hundreds. So those were 25 TSA secrets that could save your trip and your luggage. We covered everything from arriving early, using the MyTSA app, the PreCheck program, and being polite to the agents. We learned how to pack in layers, how to handle liquids and electronics, and protect your valuables. You are now armed to make your next airport trip the smoothest ever. Which one surprised you most? Comment below. I really want to know which of these was a game changer. Was it the water bottle hack, or the fact that you can bring most medical liquids? Drop a comment, and let's talk about it. My goal was to take the stress out of the most stressful part of traveling. I hope these secrets from actual TSA officers help you do just that. Traveling should be fun, and it starts with a smooth trip through the airport. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video full of travel hacks. We're always looking for new ways to make your life easier and more exciting. Thanks for watching, everyone. Safe travels. See you next time.